Hi, I'm Leigh and welcome to my kitchen and welcome to week 4 of recipes that we can make with a pound of ground beef or less. Now actually I think every recipe we have made has been made with half of a pound of hamburger meat. So if you missed any of the first 3 weeks, you can check out small batch sloppy joes up here. And then there was the small batch spaghetti meat sauce bolognese sauce, so good, my mom's recipe. And then that small batch enchilada casserole. But today we are making a small batch Korean beef lettuce wraps. And let me tell you, it doesn't get much easier than today's recipe. It only uses a handful of ingredients. It only takes a few minutes to put together. And if you're looking for the perfect low carb meal, this is it. Because you know, sometimes dinner really can be this easy. So we're gonna start. I've got my half of a pound of ground beef. Again, I'm using a 90-10 blend in my frying pan. Now, if you want, this recipe is super easy to double. If you like a little bit of leftovers, go ahead and do that. So we're gonna take this over to the heat and get this ground beef cooking. We're gonna start our meat browning. And into it, we're gonna add a teaspoon of minced garlic. We're gonna cook it till the meat is browned and cooked all the way through. All right, after we have the meat browned up, we're gonna mix up the sauce that we're gonna pour over the meat. So into a bowl, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You can use a low sodium soy sauce. You can use the gluten-free alternative if you like to make this gluten-free. Any of them will work. And then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And if you wanted a little less sweet, just add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I am going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger. If you have fresh ginger, go ahead and use a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're going to put in a teaspoon of sesame oil. You'll find this in the Asian aisle of the grocery store. This gives it a lot of flavor, so do not skip out on this ingredient. And I've got a 1/2 teaspoon measure here, so we're going to put in 2. And a little swish. Yep, it's that easy. This is the sauce that is gonna go over our cooked browned hamburger. We're gonna go grab our pan. Then we're gonna take that sauce that we mixed up and pour it in over the meat. Get it all out of the bowl there. And then just go ahead and toss it to coat the meat with the sauce. And then we're gonna put it back on the stove top for about a minute or so, maybe 2, just to let all that liquid kind of absorb into the meat. You want it to reduce down so that you don't have any standing liquid in the pan. Okay, we've got our meat. The liquid's all absorbed. It's cooked through. We're ready to assemble our lettuce wraps. Now, if you're trying to keep these low carb, I like to serve it on lettuce wraps with just the meat. But if you want something a little bulkier, you can cook some white rice. Put a little bit of white rice on your lettuce, then your ground beef. Now, for the lettuce I like to use today, we are using butter lettuce, and I actually buy it just like this. You want a soft yet sturdy lettuce. You don't want a lettuce that's too crispy so that when you fold it a bit, it breaks, or one that just falls apart when you put the meat mixture on it. I find that butter lettuce works really well. I have also used romaine if that's all you can find. Bib lettuce works well too, but I would avoid iceberg. You could use, I know that's I think what they use at P.F. Chang's, but it does tend to break a little bit more because it's a little crisper and crunchier. All right, so we're ready to assemble it. I kind of feel like 1 serving, at least at our family. For my husband is 3, for me sometimes it's 2. So you should be able to get 5 to 6 lettuce wraps out of this. Now you don't want to pile the meat on too much because then you're gonna have a mess. Your leaf is gonna fall apart, it's gonna fall right out. So it's better to use more lettuce versus more meat on less lettuce. Does that make sense? All right, we're gonna pop our meat on there. So I'm probably using maybe a 1/4 cup, maybe not quite, a 1/4 cup of meat on each lettuce. Now, to top it, what I like to use is it's called broccoli slaw. You can find it in your grocery store where like the coleslaw mixes, shredded cabbage. You could also use shredded cabbage, but it's actually just kind of a combination of Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, a few other things. And it gives, not only does it give the lettuce wraps a little bit more crunch, You get a little more vitamins in here too, and more filler. This actually does have some small pieces of broccoli in it. So we're just gonna sprinkle that on top. And then I also like to add some green onions. Of course, you could put whatever veggies you have in the fridge, just chop them up kind of small and add them on. And then for some more crunch, I like to add some slivered almonds. You could also add some water chestnuts to this, whether you add them on now or into the meat mixture as you're cooking it. This is the perfect thing to make on an evening where maybe you want something a little lighter but totally satisfying. We're gonna kind of eat it just like a taco. So good, because remember, every dinner doesn't need to feed a crowd. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video.